Ay, Robert, paano to?
Ano ba yan? Oh, functions again. Okay, good. So dito sa question na ito, looks simple. But para sa iba, ano ba ibig sabihin nito? Ano ba ibig sabihin nito? Anong gagawin natin to get to the answer? Kailangan natin maintindihan, ano ba ibig sabihin ng negative of f of x? Ano naman ibig sabihin ng f of negative x? Now, remember, this is function. Kung ano yung papasok natin doon sa loob ng parenthesis na ito, at yun yung magiging resulta. So, kung dito, sa una, negative of f of x. So, pansin natin, si x ang pinapasok natin sa loob. Pero, negative of that function. So, negative of your f of x. Sabi natin dito, f of x is x squared plus x. So, this is simply negative of x squared plus x. Or, you can distribute the negative sign. Ano mangyari? Naging negative x squared, negative x. Now, ano naman ibig sabihin ni f of negative x? Ngayon, si negative x yung papasok natin. So, that means, bawat isang x na nandito ay magiging negative x. Yung x squared natin will now become
Negative
the
x.
square of negative x. Now, si x ay papalitan natin ulit si
Negative x.
negative x. The square of a negative x will be
X squared.
x squared, right? Plus of negative x, then this will now become
Minus x.
minus x. So the answer therefore will be negative of x squared minus x over x squared minus x. Pero, nandito ba sa option natin?
Wala.
Wala, right? Pansin natin this is negative dito sa bandang numerator. So we can bring out the negative sign. So nanging negative of x squared plus x over x squared minus x. This is the same thing as negative of x squared plus x all over x squared minus x. Okay? Now, pansin natin sa numerator at denominator, meron pa tinatawag tayong
Common factor.
factor. So, factor out the x, this is now x plus 1. Factor out the x, this is now x minus 1. Okay? Since they both have x as a common factor, we can cancel. Matitira dito ay si negative of x plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay? So, ito ay aling letter dito?
Letter D.
Letter D. So, ganyan lang paano gawin ang function. Good.
Yes! Feeling ko, papasa na ako ng OPCAT.